Hey everyone! So it's been about a month with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. I've been using it daily, folding it, opening it, watching, working, snapping. And now we can finally figure out, is this foldable actually worth it? Trust me, I really wanted to like it. I use older foldables, I followed the hype. And this one, it's being praised as Samsung's best yet. But a month in, does it hold up? Stick around and let's break it all down. Right off the bat, it's crazy thin and light. Just 8.9mm folded, 4.2mm unfolded, and tipping the scales at only 215G. That's lighter than a lot of flagship phones, and feels surprisingly compact in the hand. That hinge, smooth but stiff, feels durable. And yeah, there's still a crease, but it's much less visible thanks to the new teardrop-style fold and ultra-thin glass. The cover display now spans 6.5 inches, a true bar-style aspect, so using it like a daily phone actually works better than before. Unfolding to that 8-inch main screen feels immersive, great for multitasking, video, or even writing. Both screens are LTPO AMOLED, dynamic 2x, 120Hz adaptive, and hit up to 2600 nits brightness. Everything, from scrolling to HDR video, looks really smooth and vibrant. Under the hood, it's powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, with up to 16GB RAM. This thing handles heavy apps, multitasking, and casual gaming with ease. Performance has been rock solid, no noticeable lag after a month of daily use. The Z Fold 7 finally has a 200MP main sensor. Same one seen on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Image quality, top tier. Sharp detail, bold colours, and excellent contrast. That said, the ultra-wide and 3x telephoto are just average, not the strongest zoom or edge-to-edge quality. Not terrible, but not mind-blowing. Still, the overall camera system finally competes with flagship expectations. Plus, Samsung's Gemini Live and AI photo editing tools integrate nicely into One UI 8 for folding phones. AI cropping, generative edits, it's actually useful when editing on the large screen. You've got a 4,400 mAh battery, which in tests runs close to 11 hours screen on video playback, so moderate use gets you a full day. Heavy use, or editing a lot, that's when you might want to think about a power bank by the evening. A few things stood out deeper into daily life. First, at my desk, I realized I rarely fully unfolded it. The outer display is big enough for most tasks, and carrying it unfolded felt unnecessary. Some days I hardly used the main screen. Also, holdability. The shape, weight balance, button placement. It just feels right in hand, even tempting to skip a case because it feels so refined. The downsides? No S Pen support, due to the ultra-thin design, probably the biggest missed feature for power users. The camera bump on the rear is chunky, can wobble when placed flat. Battery life, while decent, can feel fragile under heavy use. So, should you get the Galaxy Z Fold 7 1 month in? Honestly, yes, if you want the sleekest foldable Samsung has made. You value a top-tier camera, large usable screens, and AI tools for editing or multitasking. You don't need S Pen support or super long battery under non-stop use. But for recent Galaxy Fold 6 owners, the upgrades can feel incremental. Unless the display and hinge improvements truly matter to you, it might not justify the jump at £2,000 plus price tag. For first-timers or those on older foldables, Z Fold 7 may finally be the device that makes foldables mainstream. It nails the form, the feel, and most of the functionality. Drop me a comment if you want me to do a deep dive on multitasking setups, photo editing in Gemini Live, or everyday carry tips for this thing. Smash that like button, helps a lot, and subscribe if you want more foldable breakdowns and gadget stories like this. Cheers and God bless.